So friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about an update that clearly shows the growth of the HDC network. Now the number of HDC wallets has crossed 1.5 million. This isn't just a numbers game, but proof that more people, more businesses, and more projects are using HDC every day. Now it's important to understand what HDC is. The HDC network is an enterprise-grade blockchain that combines the openness of a public chain with the privacy of a private network. It is EVM compatible and runs on HDP-OS 2, and it is specifically designed for trade finance, asset tokenization, and decentralized applications. If we look at on-chain activity, the results seem quite impressive. Today, there are more than 1.5 million total addresses on HDC, and thousands of new addresses are being added every day. In just the last 24 hours, more than 6,000 new addresses have been created. This clearly shows that adoption is not slowing down, but is actually accelerating. But it's not just about the number of wallets. How these wallets are being used is equally important. So far, there have been nearly 870 million transactions on HDC. The average speed is about 9 transactions per second. This shows that people are actively making transactions on the network for payments, contracts, and applications. The real reason behind this growth is utility. HDC is being used to tokenize real-world assets. For example, by tokenizing invoices, trade instruments, and even the US digital bill, and through partnerships with companies like SBI, Deutsche Telekom, and High Street Corp, this network is establishing its place in global finance. And when names like Cyclo and Travel are associated with WhatsApp, it becomes clear that HDC is also reaching into daily use cases like payments and travel bookings. At the same time, developers are also making a significant contribution. So far, millions of smart contracts have been deployed and more than 1,700 tokens have been created. This means that projects and communities are actively building on HDC, creating a strong foundation for future growth. Accessibility also plays a major role in increasing adoption. Today, HDC is available on several wallets like MetaMarkets, Bitfire, and Decent, making custody and transactions easier. Additionally, it is also tradable on exchanges like KuCoin, Bitfinex, and Gate.io, making entry simpler for new users. When we look at all these factors together, a clear picture emerges. Wallet growth doesn't just mean holding coins. It shows that the blockchain ecosystem is more active, useful, and connected to real-world finance. So today, when the wallet count has crossed 1.5 million and transactions are continuously increasing, one thing is clear. HDC is no longer just a blockchain, but is becoming a real tool for finance, trade, and digital innovation. So friends, this was the update on HDC wallet growth and adoption. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for new updates. We'll meet again next time with a new topic.